Look, here's me trekking to Everest Base Camp. Here's me literally the same garment here in Lisbon in summertime. No matter where you are in the world, our Pima Cotton power cable cardigan is just outstanding for home, work, and especially travel. It regulates temperature. Why? Well, we make it from Pima Cotton from Peru, which is the best there is. This great neck makes just a wonderful neck to shoulder triangle. We make it in a bunch of simple, gorgeous colors that just add this undeniable pop to your look. I'll have one with me everywhere this fall, from work to around town here in Lisbon, and when I'm on the road all over the world.